What's important to realize as well is that we have this brain-gut axis, and this is a bidirectional communication between our brain and our digestive systems, and this has been well studied, especially in the context of food intake. But now, over the last number of years, a growing interest has emerged in understanding this relationship also in other areas of neuroscience. And it's worth noting that the gut will communicate to the brain through a variety of different ways, and I point out here the vagus nerve, which is very important in signaling from the gut to the brain, and we'll come back to that a little later. But it might seem surprising that the gut and brain communication could be quite important for our emotional behavior. But if we look at it from a linguistic point of view, in our everyday language, in English and in other languages, we use phrases like gutted and gutsy and gut-wrenching and gut instincts to portray a raft of human emotions. We personify our emotions in our gut. We have butterflies in our tummy if we're feeling a bit nervous. So perhaps it shouldn't be that surprising. However, within the neuroscience field, it has been somewhat neglected to think about what's going on below your neck in terms of modulating brain and behavior. And regarding stress, it's very important to realize that stress doesn't just affect the key circuits within the brain or the few neurons within the hippocampus, which we also are very interested in, but stress will have wide-scale effects across many systems in the body, including on the immune system, and stress-immune interactions are very important and gaining much more credence in the psychiatry area. Stress will affect the HPA axis, of course, but also will have local effects on the gut.